DIY radon reduction. Radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer and affects both smokers and non-smokers. One study found that this deadly gas was detected in up to 1/3 of U.S. homes without anyone ever knowing about it. To test your home, you have three options. First, call a professional. Most home inspectors offer this test. Second, purchase a one-time use at-home radon test from your local hardware store. Or third, purchase a digital radon tester online, which can be used to test over and over again. The EPA recommends action being taken, mitigation, if your home's radon levels are 4 PCI or higher. Here's how to reduce your radon levels without spending thousands of dollars for a professional mitigation system. First, install a ceiling fan in the basement. Believe it or not, simply installing a ceiling fan can reduce radon as much as 80%. Second, run a positive ion generator. These can be tough to find, but the combo of a positive ion generator and a ceiling fan has been said to reduce radon as much as 95%. Third, seal up your furnace cold air return. If your furnace is sucking air from the basement, you can guarantee your family is breathing in much more radon than if the cold air return was sealed. And fourth, seal up cracks in the basement floor and close any open drains. That's how radon gets in. And fifth, open windows when weather permits. Radon is sucked up through the ground when your HVAC system creates pressure. Opening those windows lets fresh air in and neutralizes the pressure. Be sure to test your levels again after putting these measures into place. In most cases, these measures will completely solve your radon problem. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.